this is me again, Heart May Vita Glass, and for today's video, I will be giving a reflection on the topic the future of the Internet. The future of the Internet holds both promise and peril, shaped by our evolving relationship with technology. At its core, digital literacy emerges as a crucial component. As the Internet becomes increasingly integrated into daily life, the ability to navigate, critically evaluate, and utilize online information becomes paramount. Digital literacy empowers individuals to discern fact from fiction, safeguard personal data, and participate meaningfully in the digital landscape. However, with with greater interconnectivity comes both advantages and disadvantages. On one hand, increased connectivity fosters collaboration, innovation, and global communication. Yet, excessive reliance on the internet can lead to issues such as information overload, decreased privacy, and social isolation. Striking a balance between connectivity and mindful usage becomes imperative to harness the internet's potential while mitigating its drawbacks. Central to the future of the Internet is the Internet of Things or IoT, heralding a new era of interconnected devices and automation. From smart homes to wearable technology, the IoT promises unprecedented convenience and efficiency. Yet, concerns regarding data security, breaches, and potential vulnerabilities loom large. As we embrace the IoT, safeguarding digital infrastructure and ensuring robust cybersecurity measures becomes paramount. So, in conclusion, the future of the internet hinges on our ability to navigate digital landscapes with discernment, balance interconnectivity with mindful usage, and harness emerging technologies like the IoT responsibly. By prioritizing digital literacy, mitigating the drawbacks of excessive connectivity, and addressing the challenges posed by the IoT, we can shape a future where the Internet remains a force for innovation, connectivity, and empowerment.